Howdy. I'm at Andelin Family Farm. Over there in the distance, a corn maze, tickets, a little booth that sells water and Gatorade. They have a coffee stand and even a donut stand down there. Overall, I'd say the setup's much better for them to make money. I mean, the more you can add like that at your haunt, the better, because when people go through the maze, they either go home or they buy something. You know, that place I went to before, the slaughterhouse, didn't really have much after the haunt. You could buy a picture of yourself. I'm guessing the corn maze is just a corn maze. Corn Creepers is going to be a corn maze with people wandering it. And then there's the zombie paintball bus, which I think sounds fun. I'm going to do that. And then down in the dark, you've got the, or where you can't see, is a pumpkin patch that's only open during the day for kids, and a petting zoo and stuff like that. So okay, I'm going to go see what tickets are like and at least go in one thing. All right, folks. Well, I paid $15 for the zombie paintball. I'm going to go see what this is. Looks like fun.
When there told you there were going to be 8 zones, there are only going to be 4 zones tonight. This thing's a lot worse
Here
than
it is.
seemed. 4 of our zones
We're on
have
the
got
bus. See if
completely
you can see
overrun by
anything. It
zombies.
doesn't look
So
like
now
it.
there's 4 much larger zones tonight with much more zombies in each one.
Yeah, it looks all dark. Sorry.
And I also know that the video told you not to use your phones or take pictures, but we're going to go ahead and let you do that. We like to break rules on this bus. We just ask that you don't use that flash, because it's distracting to our bus driver.
Please do not touch your guns.
If you guys look under your seats, you'll find that there's nothing there.
This might be too dark to see, so...
What kind of bus driver are you?
We will come up to a halfway refill point after our second zone. If you have those pre-purchased,
we'll just go
refills,
through
we can
one
take
zone
those
and
when our bus comes to a complete stop. If you have not bought
get a
those
shot or
tickets,
two
you might
in,
get
but
some
if
low on
you
ammo
can't
at
see
our
anything, you
halfway
can't see it.
point.
So.
We will do those for $5.
Yeah, you can buy more paintballs, but I don't even know. So far, there's nothing. I'm not even allowed to touch the gun so
Take a look
far.
out this side of the bus. You'll see one of those buses that didn't make it. Please be better shots than them. I want to go home at the end of the night. It's up to you guys to keep us safe and yourself safe.
Well, at least you can hear the bus.
When I tell you to, and only when I tell you to, you're going to go ahead and take 2 test shots. This is to make sure those guns are working.
Make sure the guns work.
If you have any problems with those guns after those test shots or throughout the course, you're going to go ahead and raise your hand, and me and my partner will come by and fix them. Do not try to fix them by yourself. Don't touch those hoppers on top, please.
We'll just take the 2. You're not going to see the zombies with this light.
I don't want to use any.
All right, go ahead and take those 2 test shots.
2 shots, guys.
2 shots only, please. 2 shots. Don't waste
Well,
your
I
ammo
missed
on the
the X.
scarecrow.
Well, you get an idea how this is going to work. If it looks good,
All right, all
I'll
those
pull it
guns
out
working?
again.
All right.
Very close. Look at this guy. Wow, that's it. I have to say, zombie paintball is very fun. You pull up to 4 different zones, and you shoot zombies. They're just guys. Hopefully the footage came out. I filmed 2 zones. They were playing very loud Beastie Boys music, so it might not have come out. It might not be allowed to be played, I mean. Well, if it can't, I'll voice over it. So this is a cool place to come to. Maybe I'll do some of the other stuff another year, but that was fun enough. I'm gotta get other things done tonight. All right. Thanks, folks.